where we connected the LED, pin number 4. So choose the pin number 4 and make it to high. Okay, whenever switches is equal to 1, it has to, the pin number 4 has to high. You have to give some second for it to blow it. Okay, so for when will be the second will be in the control. So take a wait and give it to the second. You can give for 1 second. So this will keep on do if the switch is on. Okay. Now look at the simulation. I'm starting the simulation. There is an error bit. I think switch is a case it took. That is what he took this switch it as a. Okay. Wait, see it in the text also. There is an error in this. You can give it as high instead of 1. So wait for a second. Okay, switches, it is not taking the switch as the input. We can change one sensor for it. Okay, I'll change the sensor. It's not taking the switch as the input, so that we can use the sensor itself directly. Wait for a minute, I'll change it to the diagram first. Okay, I can use some sensor in it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yeah.
You can use that itself a switches itself a sensor, ma'am, because in code, if you go in code, in math option, last we have a high option.
1 second, 1 second. It's not working here. Tejeshwar can't see the screen. 1 second, Tejeshwar. Okay, here there is another option. Okay. I didn't see that. Okay, now. We have to delete the program again. So first take its condition. Let's create a variable called switch already there. Let's switch to okay, next we can go for the control. Connection. So okay, and we can change it to switch. And if switch is equal to, we're having an option called high in the down of math variable. We can use the high and keep it in the 1. Okay, and set the output in as 0. Number 4. Okay, and you can give wait for 1 second. Yeah. Thank you, Aditya. Start simulation. Ma'am, you have put read digital pin 0. Still there is an error. Could you find any error here? Switch is connected to pin number 1 actually. Switch is connected to pin number 1. Pin number 1 only switch is connected. Okay, look onto it. We'll go ahead with the sensor itself. I think switch is a
Try double equal to.
the problem
Hello.
is switch itself a keyword in the text. Okay, that is
Hello.
the issue. You should not use switch as a variable. We
Sir,
can give some other variable name instead of giving a switch.
in compare is there
Yeah,
option
sir.
double equal to?
Sir, actually the thing is correct, sir. The coding is correct. The switch what we are using is already the condition. Switch is nothing but it's
Yeah,
one
I
kind of
understood.
condition
That
in
is
the
one of
programming
the
language.
case switch case that it is showing. I guess,
Yeah,
but
so
if
we should not use the switch as a thing. We have to use it as some other variable name. We should not
try
use
some
switch
other
as a
variable
variable name.
name also then.
Yeah, sir. I'll try the some other variable name. You know it's a variable. Now, so I can see the output now. The switch is on. LED is on. Switch is off. LED is it has to get off. Why it is not getting off is they didn't give the option called become low. Okay, if the switch is on, it will glow the LED. If not, switch off the LED. We didn't say that option. That is called if else. Else means if it is not there, what has to do? That is called if else program. This is another condition called if else. So if you add this now, look at here. So if button is this one, give this to your take this totally and give it here. If button is high, set the pin number 4 to high and make the wait for 1 second. Okay, then if not, if that switch is not on, the signal is not there, then what it has to do, it has to set the pin to low, then only the LED will get off. Okay, you have to give else condition also. If it is present, what it has to do. If it is not present, what it has to do, you have to give it. If you don't give the else condition, it will do the same work for both. Okay, that is why I didn't do the else condition before. First, I'm doing the if condition first. First, you have to learn what is if condition, then you have to know what is if else. That is why I first chosen if, and now I'm teaching you the if else. Okay, and remove this if. 1 second, I remove it. So now, if the same thing only, but you have given a else option also. You have to make the pin number 4 to low. And you have to give same thing called the wait for 1 second. Why are I giving this wait is you to see the glow of LED. If don't give this, the LED will keep on do it in a fraction of a second. You can't see that output. Okay. Okay. The LED is on. You can see the LED is getting off. It's slowly working. You can see that the signal is off, so the LED is getting off. If it is on, the LED is on. Okay, you got this if else condition, right? Yes, guys.
You can
Stop my.
unmute your mic and ask doubts and also in chat window.
You are out, Abhinaya. Now my task for you guys is you have to use two LED and single switch. Okay. So what I want to answer is, if the switch is on, one LED has to glow. If the switch is off, the another LED has to glow. You take two LED as one is green, one is red. Okay. Make the LED. What? I could not hear properly. Who's that? Who's that? Shankar? One second, Shankar. One second. Yeah. Now ask me. Yes, two LEDs you have to use, but one switch only. Okay. I was telling you, if the switch is on, green LED has to glow. Okay. If the switch is off, red LED has to glow. That's all the workers. But single switch only. Only with single sensor you have to do two output. Is that clear? So that is your task now. Make it fast.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abhi.
ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I do first only this thing, ma'am, which you explained, and
Okay.
then do the both?
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So make it fast. I'll give you 10 minutes time to make it. Someone share your screen live and do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. Someone share your screen and do it live. Abhi, can you do that? Ma'am will help you out. Shocked.
Yes, Abhi, share your screen. I'll help you out if you have any mistake in it. Okay? Yeah. Yes, Saneshwar, you can do it.
Whose screen it is? Whose screen it is? Tejeshwar? Is it yours?
Saneshwar, the task is you have to use a single switch and control two LEDs. When the switch is on, you have to glow green LED and switch off the red LED. And when the switch is off, you have to glow the red LED, switch off the green LED. Okay, that is the task. You can proceed now. You have to use if else condition.
Abhi, you can explain the task and do it on live. Unmute your mic and you can keep explaining and do whatever you're doing. Whatever you're taking and we are taking that pattern.
This is the Arduino, and now I am going to do a single light to glow when the switch is on, and now I am taking a breadboard. Okay, and now I am to turn on the switch. I need a I need a LED to make it glow. If I give whole power to the LED, the LED can burst. So I am using a resistor, and then I have connected the resistor, and then from here I am giving to the positive line, and then from the negative line I am giving to the negative,
ఇప్పుడు 10 minutes లో బాగా వస్తుంది చిన్నప్పుడు బాక్సా అది 10 minutes
and now I have connected positive negative, and then now I am taking a switch. Yeah, I have placed a switch, and now from the positive I am taking to the terminal. From the positive I am taking to the terminal 1, and from the negative I am taking to the terminal 2, and from the base and now I am taking to the first pin 1. Now I am connecting the negative to the LED, and then the resistor,
Yes, Aditya, snapshot. Share in the chat box. Let me see it. After that, you can do a screenshot once Abhi is done.
and now I have done the circuit, so I am going for coding. First I have to delete it.
Send the snapshot, Tejeshwar. Let me see.
First I am deleting it, and now I am going to the variables. Ma'am, I am creating as button, and now I am taking set button to first, and then I am going to the input, and here real this one, yeah I have, and then I have given it the pin 1, so I am selecting pin 1, and then if condition, if I am making it,
Take as if else directly, Abhi. Don't take if. Take if else directly.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
Take if else, ma. Take if else. The last one which I taught you, right? Take if else. Don't take if. If else, for example, I took. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Take if
ma'am.
else condition directly. Yeah. You can use that.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not deleting. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm taking if else. No, I could not drag it. Okay. Now I took if else. And then I'm going for set pin. I have taken it. And here I am
Abhi,
giving.
1 second, Abhi. Shankar, mute your call. Shankar, mute your call. Mute your call, ma. Mute it. Yeah. Still, I could hear some. Is it from Abhi?
Ma'am?
Is your mother is talking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I could hear some noise. That's why. Yeah, ma. You can proceed. Abhi, don't mute. Don't mute. Turn on your mic. You're teaching, right? Turn on your mic. Turn on your mic and do it. Explain and do it. Yes, Shankar? You don't know. What, ma? How to give connection, you don't know. Um, okay. What, first, one LED you are giving it to pin number 4, right? Take another LED and do the same connection, give it to pin number 5. That's all. Okay. Yes, Sundar have sent us short.
And now I am using this button here and is equal to and now
Where you set your code block?
high. Yeah, it's over here. I have done it, and now in L, and I have to make my LED off, so I am taking wait. Yeah, wait for 1 second, and then I am moving to set pin. Yeah, I am dragging it, and now the pin is on 4th, so I am selecting 4th, and now low, and then I have to make it wait. So again wait 1 second. No, now I am giving stimulate.
The code, Abhi. Yeah.
Now, ma'am, it's not working.
Wait. Um, it's not in pin number 4, Abhi. It's pin number 3 you have given the connection. Change it to pin number 3 in your code. Give stop
Oh,
simulation and change the code to pin number 3.
ma'am, or else I can change it